We came here to pray to the deity. We are on our Karyakarta as far as Panjim Mandal is concerned. For Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi's completion of 12 years in the service of the nation. We came here to wish him all the best. We came here to seek God's blessing for his good health and to carry on the good work what he's doing as far as the country is concerned. So this is what we came here for.
So how do you see the next coming election, like that way the 12 years completed of PM Modi?
See, I think he is the longest serving Prime Minister of India. And we came here basically to pray for his well-being and for his good health, so he continues the service of for the nation for years to come. We want to see him back again as a Prime Minister in 2029. So that's what we.
So how you see that 2027 election, this upcoming election, how you will react on it?
See, elections, it is a process. Every 5 years it comes. So back again in 27 will come. See, it is, you get the mandate if you serve the people. I look at it in that way. So it is ultimately who judges you. It is the people who judges you. So if you have done a good job, people will get you back again. If it doesn't, if people feel that you have not done satisfactory towards their satisfaction, you will not be elected. I simply everything is to be left with the people, and people will decide your future.